Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel and haven't checked out the videos yet, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure that you hit that notification bell down below this video so that you can get a notification every time that I upload a video. Today I want to share with you guys a little bit of information about how I learned how to brand myself with this brand new task-based opportunity. I want to talk to you about the great support system that we have along this platform. And I also want to share with you how you can learn how to market online and earn using your Facebook page, guys. Now, how awesome is that? You can turn your Facebook page into an ATM if you could follow simple tasks. Now, with this opportunity that I am a part of, I've learned how to engage with my Facebook friends. I'm going to say that again, guys. I learned how to engage with my Facebook friends. Now, you know how you come on to Facebook and you add friends, but you don't engage with them. They're just a part of your friends list. Well, with this platform, what you're doing is you're engaging with your friends. So if you're looking to work online, those people that you engage with, they they are checking out your opportunity once you present it to them. That is awesome. Because along my journey, starting from 2016 to now, 2020, I had a clue of what to do. I was throwing out opportunities that I was a part of, just throwing them out there on Facebook, not knowing that I was doing everything the wrong way. I would join the Facebook work from home groups and I would just put my opportunity on Facebook, not doing it the proper way. Also adding my link on there, and that isn't the proper way. I wouldn't have knew what was going on if my link would have just got completely deleted. Also, you learn with this opportunity that when you're a part of an opportunity, you don't brand the opportunity, you brand yourself. Because once those opportunities end, then you will have yourself out there and people will know that you are completely legit because you have learned to brand yourself. You are also learning how to combine your paid traffic and your organic traffic. Again, I'm going to say that again. You're learning how to combine your paid traffic along with your organic traffic. Some people want to know, what is organic traffic? Organic traffic is the people that are in your friends list. You also need to know what your niche is when you are presenting an opportunity to your audience on Facebook. Now, your niche would be like, say, you do direct mail. So, what you want to do is you want to look for people who are interested in working from home. And you also want to look for people who are interested in those type of things, that are interested in online marketing. So, you want to have your audience consisted of working from home and doing online marketing. You don't want to start a niche and your audience is fitness and you do direct mail, or you're online offline affiliate marketer. You want to stick to your niche, okay? Also, what I learned with this platform is when you are engaging and you're adding people, if you have a six-figure earner on your page, you want to go and see certain things that they post. You want to take a look at that. I also learned how to post curiosity posts. So you don't just throw your opportunity out there to your audience. You want to leave them wondering, what is it that you do? What is it? How are you earning money from your opportunity? How are you getting all of these people to comment on your post? That goes back to part one when I said that you engage with your audience. So once you start engaging with them and you're posting inspirational posts, because you don't know what people go through during their day. So that is something else that we learn along this platform. We learn how to inspire other people, how to motivate people in the mornings, and also you're being taught how to be a leader in your business. That is awesome because some people don't know how to be a leader. You know, some people don't know how to inspire other people. Some people don't know how to do attraction marketing. I learned all of this, guys, through this task based opportunity. Now, we also have this great community group with this platform that I am part of. And this community group is very supportive. When we invite people to our platform, we invite them to our community group where we welcome them in with warm arms, open arms. We also support each other in our posts. We also support each other just by motivating each other every day, every morning in our chat groups. Down below, if you are interested in learning more about this opportunity that I have available, I will leave the link down below to my website so you can check that out. And you can also check out our amazing packages that come with amazing training. Also, I will leave down below my Facebook page link so that you guys can connect with me and see how I am doing. Shoot me a message and let me know if you're interested in the opportunity and we can get you started with that. Also, I'll leave the link down below to the Facebook group so that you can come and check that out and see the great support there, the great value, also the great mentorship there, and you will see the proof there of that this opportunity works and how we earn daily or even weekly. You will also see that we have great success coaches available in that group. We have a great mentor who also is a part of that group. And I will leave down below the link to the webinar that we have every Wednesday at 7 Eastern Time. So you guys can come and hear real testimony stories from those people who never made a dime online that are making money right now with this task-based platform and getting great support from this task-based platform. And you will also get the chance to meet the mentor who gives motivational, inspirational, I don't know how to explain it, but you will also get to just see how she inspires her whole team. And we inspire those who are looking to join a home based opportunity so that they can feel welcome in the platform if they decide to join. They see how we are a big movement and we're not even big yet. We're just starting to get noticed in 2 months. Our platform also crossed over $100,000 in 2 months, guys. What platform do you know make that much money and they are just getting off the ground? I haven't run across an opportunity yet that came across that much money bringing it to their platform. So again, guys, if you are looking to join an awesome opportunity and get great support from your teammates, your mentor, your success coaches, I will leave down below the link to the website so that you can check that out. Listen to the video that is available on the website and check out those packages. I will also leave the link to my Facebook page so you can check out my page and also shoot me a message when you feel that you are ready to jump on board with this opportunity. Don't wait on the fence. Let's get you guys started today. We can win and we can also be leaders and we can bring others along our success journey and teach them what we learn with this task-based platform. So again, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day and I look forward to working with everyone and let's win, guys. See you guys at the top.